Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we'll talk about areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $3.60. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $3.60, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above $3.60, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 360 would be great, but grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% control the chart. In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at and levels of resistance, that main one seems to be right here at about $3.75. Yeah, I get it. The price did technically go a little bit higher than that today, but there are also some instances where the price didn't quite hit that high, so I'm just going to split the difference there and call it $3.75. Anyway, you look at it, though, very, very nice move today, and as long as the chart starts building higher lows as time unfolds, then that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. So off to a good start. Let's see if the bulls can keep building higher bases or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.